Oh, hi. So, I got left in charge of dinner. I don't know why they did that, but um, we're gonna make like chicken curry and stuff. So, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. Um, First step is get the chicken together. So stay tuned to see how we do that. Oh, and welcome to the Nash House and stuff. Okay, now this next step is very important. You want to make sure that you soak your rice. So how I'm doing here is I'm filling up the pot just enough to where it covers the rice, and we're kind of gonna let it soak probably like 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, and one other important thing you need to know, you want to make sure that you drain this water after it soaks for that 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat again, drain it one more time, and then the third time it's ready to boil, and you want to boil it over a very low heat with the lid on it. See, low water comes out perfect rice every time. Don't even need a rice cooker.